Cosmic Charlie. Cosmic Charlie. Wow, beautiful color. Beautiful color. You see the color? We're gonna see the taste first. Cosmic Charlie, good size. Wow. I love Cosmic Charlie because the tree, the plant, they grow very fast and they give you a lot of fruit and the fruit tastes good. Yes, very tasty fruit. I'm gonna check Brix score. Yeah, this is juicy. Have a lot of juice. Let's see. $17.7. Nice. I can tell it's sweet. 17.7. Cosmic Charlie, 17.7. Very tasty fruit. Yeah. Cosmic Charlie, 17.7. Nice, good fruit. I cannot eat all that. That's why I gonna just prepare it for lunch. My family coming for barbecue today. I'm gonna eat that after lunch. We're gonna have a lot of tasty fruit today.